It's my dog, Black Man. You know who it is. Well, actually, not my dog, my stepdad's dog. So, you know how that go. You know, alligator. Maybe a little bolio in there, I don't know. But you know what it is. It's Black Man. You know what it is. No illegal purposes.